how to set up Turtle Beach Recon 50X headset for Xbox Series S or Xbox Series X. These were originally for the older generation of Xbox One and older generation Xbox consoles, etc. But now you can use it with a new 2024 updated versions and beyond into the future as well, as long as there's a little ports to be able to put in the headset wire in the Xbox console controller, then it will be fine to use. So you can do that with this Turtle Beach headset, even though it's one of the cheaper ones. It cost me around about £13, but you can still be able to do it with that. So right here, you're going to have two different things. You're going to have the headset itself, which is stored in this sleeve right here. You can go ahead and remove that. And you will have that microphone wire there by itself. They're not connected already. There is a little bit of plastic right here that you'll be able to undo to then actually have the wire be able to be used from long distance like so. So make sure you do that. Then take the microphone outside of the piece of plastic there and then look towards one of the muffs of the headset, the circular part on the side. You should see a little circular hole which you'll be able to put this metal wire into the side of it, and make sure you put it in firmly to make sure it's fully in, because then once you do that, you will be able to use that as a fully fledged voice chat microphone. There is on the actual wire itself, you can unmute, mute, make it louder and quieter as well, and make sure you put that wire, the metal wire on the side of the controller into there, and then you can go ahead and use your Turtle Beach headset as you wish. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.